Hey there, so in this video we want to see if we can get a discount for Gamma AI so we can do more presentations. Before we start, really important, you will find my partner link down here in the video description, the first one, and when you click on it, it will allow you to sign up for free and you will get 400 credits to build your first presentation. So just click on it and sign up. I will do this really quickly, and once you have signed up, you will land here. And here you can see you have your 400 credits, and when you run out of credits you need to upgrade, and then you can upgrade here to the plus plan, for example, and then it will bring you to a Stripe checkout, and here you can enter your promo code. And I searched on the entire internet for a couple of promo codes, and these are the ones I found, and they said this one is the most recent one. So let's try it out. You can simply type it in and hit apply, and it's not working. So let's try out another one, maybe this one. And it's not working. To be honest, I have tried it before. None of these codes are working. I went through all the forums, but all discount codes didn't work anymore, unfortunately. So if you want to save something, you can always switch to pay annually, and then you will save 25% on your annual billing. But there's one more trick. So I didn't want you to leave you without giving you an extra trick. So you can always, if you need more credits, you can always refer a friend. And that's kind of cool because they will give you an individual link and you can copy it, send it over via WhatsApp or email to a friend or a colleague. And then you will get 200 credits when they sign up, and they will also get a 200 credit bonus. And you can do this as many times as you want. So your credits are maxed at 2000, but as you spend your credits, you can top up them again by inviting more friends. So they get a free marketing channel and you get free credits. Just copy the link, send it over, and then you get 200 free credits. But as said, if you're sick of it, at some point you need to upgrade. And yeah, I didn't manage to find a code except the 25% off on the annual billing. At least you get something there. This is all from me. If you want to try it out now, as said, you will find my partner link down below. Thank you for using it. And if you want to get started with Gamma, you'll find a tutorial here on how to create your first presentation. Good luck with that, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.